All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, whatever you may be. Today we're gonna have a clutch install on a 1500 brush chipper. I think we don't have a video on that, so we're gonna cover that today. And we'll take you along with the journey and show you guys what it's all about and how it gets done. One down. Two. I think I throw my condom over here. And that looks like a 10 millimeter. Go with that. See that?
HLS?
HLS. We should note, maybe service is needed, 1504, 91420. That's way our service. So if we got 15 to 18, these filters are not marked, so that one got done and this one didn't get done. At this point, we need to just get rid of all the filters and do a complete service on it. And judging by the air filter, if you look at this air filter right here, it'll tell us a lot more. This one's plugged up, look at that. I guess this would have been a lot easier if I removed the air intake before taking all those bolts that I was struggling to take out. I guess we gotta go with step number one, will be removing the air intake so that we can get access to all this right here. All right. So we gotta take our tensioner off. If you just give it a quick blow, it'll go. Okay, like brand new. Oh! Okay, maybe we gotta lubricate. WD-40 from the 50s. Let's try it again. That'll work. Important that we mark this thing so that when we put the new clutch in, we're gonna know exactly where to position our drive compared to our drive pulley on the drum. And this is at 1 1/8. So we're just gonna mark it here. That way we know when it's time to put it back together. Gonna go 1. Check. It does come out. Oh, somebody forgot to lock that. Okay. No problem. flooring parts are falling down. like this is where we can come out. Will it? Maybe. With a little help of my friend Shrek.
That'll do, donkey. That'll do.
And Shrek, help us out. No. Uh-oh. God dang it. Who the puts a different bolt? This will be our security bolt. So this won't end up falling on our face. Woo, baby. She's loose like a goose. And she's coming out to say hi to us. Come on out of there, Shrek. So we got to the problem, down to the root, and things to look at right here. When you look at these splines, they're about halfway gone. So this clutch plate is pretty much done. This is probably not very far back. You can see a lot of heat spots all the way around. All the clutch is wasted. It's on the bottom here. And if we go over to the spline that goes in here, you can see the wear a lot more defined here. You look at the spline, it's only about a half left on here. If we don't intend to use this shaft, we're gonna have to get a new one. Okay, let's take this down. Watch your fingers. Whew. Look at a pile of bearing. He got knocked out of his hole. Great. All right. As we can see, our clutch here, this will be a good thing to look at and send a message to our friends out on the other end where they're watching. Smell it. Smell it. Here we are. Here we go. This is the end of the last step here to removing everything that has got to do with the clutch. We have the flywheel, and the flywheel, as you guys can see, we have a very, very bad flywheel. And this, you either replace it or get a machine down. So we're gonna take this over to our friends at Clutch Masters, and they're gonna refinish it for us. Start out, and we have a PTO. Voila, it looks good. Gonna go here, right next to our other one. See if we can see a difference. Don't look like it. Bearing, it looks the same. Ooh, pilot, and a new lever. I don't know that we need that, but since it's new, we're gonna go ahead and do that. Over here, we have our clutch plate. Just like magic, man, everything's coming out new. And our pressure plate. And just in case we broke it, we have a new bell housing. Fork. Instructions on how to put it together. Not that we're gonna read the instructions. Yeah.